Alright, so what we got is we got the Ingen Technologies cold air intake hard pipe set. It's going to be for the 2023 Dodge Durango RT. Mine's a black top package, whether that matters or not. But I'm going to unbox this and see what's inside. We got instructions, part number, bag of hardware, label, your Venturi, dry filter. Haven't really used the dry filter before. I've always done white or wet filter, so we'll see how the dry filter holds up. And I went with the wrinkle black finish, kind of like powder coat. What I like about this is it's a full tube. It's not any rubber add-ons to your existing piping. So you actually got a full hard pipe all the way from your throttle body all the way to the filter. It's aluminum. Looks pretty sturdy. And because I have the cowl hood with the air vent, we'll have a heat shield kind of box that blocks the rain coming in the hood. Then if I didn't already, this is the part number. For some reason it says 14 to 2020, but I guess all the way up to the 24 is the same. We'll get a look at this. It actually comes with a hard label. Your Venturi, your filter, heat shield. Looks like it's embossed or kind of stamped Injen logo. What we got in here? Kind of instructions or kind of information, paperwork. Then your silicone boot or hose clamps. More hardware, rubber grommet, tag, another boot. I'm guessing this one goes to this, and then to your filter, and then more hose clamps.